Don't know our product yet? Let me introduce you our company. Our goal is to provide you with the highest quality custom wire, cable assembly products and services. Coaxial cable assemblies use different connectors and cable types, with lengths tailored for specific applications. Its connectors' overmolding tech and compliance with automotive industry standards make it a suitable choice for automotive applications. It provides versatile solutions for diverse applications, and overmolded waterproof cable assemblies are ideal for a wide range of uses. It features Tyco AMP connectors with a 4-pin configuration and a 6 mm pitch. LVDS is a low-voltage signaling system which ISAN electrical system and can run at very high speeds over low-cost, twisted pair, stranded copper cables. Molex cable assemblies provide a wide range of products that include high-power options that support all industries. It cover external connection between boards and interfacing system like industrial automation cable motor drive cable sensor cables and so on. Bye. See you next time.